Hello, children! This week we're learning about the letter S. Can you think of words that start with the letter S? Good! You're right! Sailboat, skunk. There are lots of words that start with the letter S. What are these two friends playing on? That's right, it's a swing. Our color of the week is olive green. What kind of things can you think of that are the color olive green? Some jackets are olive green. Army trucks are olive green. This week, our number is the number 18. It's very easy to draw the number 18. And we are also going to write the word 18. See, that was pretty easy. Our shape is a square. What kind of things can you think of that have the shape of a square? Dice are square. Some very special boxes are square. Our sight words are where, yellow, that, and there. Why don't you try to make some sentences using these words? Have fun and have a great week.